Alright, boys and girls, Mr. D here. In this video we're going to look at goal number 2, which was finding equations of parallel lines. When I say goal number 2, that's us. Goal number 2 and looking at these 3 parts of the goals we were looking at here for Chapter 5, dealing with slope-intercept form. We have already done transforming equations in slope-intercept form, getting y all alone. In this one we're going to look at equations of parallel lines. Okay, so goal number 2, finding equations of parallel lines. And so let's just take a look at this example here. Copy this problem down in your notes, find the equation of a line parallel to y equals 2x plus 7, and it goes through this point, -6, -3. Now, so we should be able to look at this equation and know, okay, well, the slope here is -2. And we should recall that parallel lines have the same slope. Right? Parallel lines have the same slope. So all these lines here that are parallel, and you don't need to copy this down, we already have this into our notes, but here we know all parallel lines have the same slope. In this example here, they're giving us a specific point that this parallel line is going to go through. So for example, let's just say we have this parallel line that looks something like this line that looks like this. We can come up with an infinite amount of lines parallel to this, right? We could say parallel lines here and here and here and here, examples. I know these are not perfectly parallel. But if all of a sudden we say, hey, I want to know the equation of the line that's parallel to this original, but goes through this one particular point. There's only one equation for that. Okay? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this clip here. So how do we find that? Well, we already know what the y-intercept is, the slope is. We need to find out what the new y-intercept is going to be. We know the point. So let's just plug in these x and y values into the equation with the given slope. So y, in this case, is -3, okay, equals, our slope we know is 2 because the lines are parallel. Our x in this case is -6. And now we want to find out where this new line is going to cross our y-axis. So we don't know the y-intercept yet, and that's what we're really looking for here. Okay, so we go to solve. Whoa, I don't know what happened here. Okay, so take a look here. We got it all set up and plugged in. And then from here, we'll just say this is -12, okay, plus b. And over here, we got -3. All right. So again, we've got to find out what b is. Well, in this case, we got to get b all alone. Let's just add 12 to both sides. Okay, plus 12, plus 12. So we end up with 9 equals b. So when it comes time to writing our equation, we know that our equation is going to be, here, I'll put it here, we'll put it in green. So y equals, our m is 2, x, and our b we know is 9. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. So again, we already know the slope, and we know this point has to be on the line, so let's plug in that point along with the slope that we know, and we can determine our y-intercept of the line. That's what we end up with right here. Okay, we'll do some. So hopefully that helps you with the homework problems this evening, and I will see you in class